Top 5 AI-powered GameFi tokens that you should be watching before the end of this year so you can get in before the next leg up in the altcoins, right? So today we're highlighting these tokens which actually have some kind of AI integration, gaming economies, and a low barrier entry as well, right? So these aren't just games, guys. This is where you've got AI agents, you've got generative worlds or gameplay automation at play, and also rewarding token holders the right way, right? So forget play to earn. That's the new, the old way, right? Today we're looking at intelligent agents and how to earn real tokens in a digital world. So let's talk about some of the top tokens that you guys can get in on that are all centered around AI and GameFi, or our hybrid models, right? So each with its unique token utility and also a gaming use case that's unique and has some upside potential. Let's dive right into it. So while the world is wild is the token ticker, I think this one, kind of has been covered a lot in recent GameFi asset reports, and showed a sharp breakout in the late kind of 2024, and also AI integrated gaming narratives that are really set to take traction. I think it's a virtual world, a metaverse project with good tokenomics, a good team that emphasizes AI agents and autonomous experiences inside the world, and the token utility here, while powers land experiences in game creation, and also early adopters expect kind of an agent economy benefit out of this. And if the metaverse and AI kind of narrative hits, I think while the world will do really well. So that's why you need to check out GameX AI native token, right? It's according to a lot of people. Also, again, there's a renewed interest in this one, real utility, AI integration, and revenue-backed ecosystems as well. And why we don't always, have these kind of household names in the categories, right? We want projects that really can deliver on in-game economies that can really generate some good revenue and really boost the token ecosystem. So you need to really just think about whether the game allows AI agent-driven gameplay. When you're thinking about some of the things to invest in, or also is there any staking or governance around that? Pikamoon is the third one on our list today. Pika is the token taker. Again, strong candidates bridging Web 2 with Web 3, easily on mobile. The tokenomics are emphasizing a deflationary spend, cross-chain play, and also future interoperability. All useful when AI kind of has that utility that's becoming part of that loop. You can also earn Pika in missions and battles, and stake for rare NFTs across game compatibility is also one of its unique upsides, right? So as gaming worlds move towards this smart NPCs, procedural levels, and agent interactions, I mean, we're looking at Pikamoon's mobile first UX and the token model, positioning it very well. Okay, so Ronin ecosystem is one that's really kind of taken off. You've got coins like Dino Coin and Pixel. The Ronin network is really taking off, like I said, when it comes to GameFi with AI integrations and player-owned economies as well. So some research suggests that AI agents are definitely getting embedded into these GameFi projects to kind of enhance the retention of users and players, and just build extra economic stability, and also better player interaction. For example, when you look at Dinocoin, which powers the crafting economy, you've got Pixel used in social farming. So these are some of the kind of use cases they're integrating AI with in terms of smart resource agents and trading bots inside games. So check it out, all these tokens on Ronin. Then you got a craft and also agent-enabled GameFi, right? Kind of low-cap gems here that if you catch a good one, you might end up with 100x. But you need to look at things like kind of like I said, NPCs, procedural generation, smart marketplaces, utility that's tied to player agent collaboration and competition, and also just tokenomics to support sustainable growth like burns and staking. And of course, you just need some real utility overall. So some of the key trends, I would say, some of the key signals to watch out for: a surge in gaming wallets and active users, that's tied to AI-enabled games, projects with embedded LLMs and smart agents into their gameplay, and also just low-cap gems in gaming that are regaining narrative and momentum, marketing that's demanding a shift from hype to utility, and really just developer traction, right? You need a base of good developers in order for you to compete, and also just high token usage, some in-game value, not just pure speculation. I think that's what would make any of these projects sustainable. So I mean, if you're looking at getting into some exposure into GameFi, just make sure you have projects that have working gameplay, early access, embedded AI features. Like I said, they're having a good token utility. And if you want to learn more, guys, we curate all the best cryptocurrency exchange platforms where you can trade the best GameFi tokens. You've got the best wallets to store them in. You also got the best trading tools, the best alpha research tools that are really kind of based on that specific niche. And you can find so much more on our main site. Go to Decentralised to use. If you want to learn more about DeFi, just check out my book, DeFi Millionaire. All the links will be in the description. Like, share, subscribe, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Love.